Iran has unveiled its latest military advancement, supersonic missiles. This announcement has sent shockwaves through the international community, prompting a mix of awe, concern, and strategic recalibration. The implications of this development are far-reaching, touching on aspects of military technology, geopolitical dynamics, and international security. This article delves into the details of Iran's new supersonic missiles, their potential impact, and the broader context of the significant leap in military capability. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more exclusive news. The announcement of Iran's new supersonic missiles marks a pivotal moment in the nation's military history. For years, Iran has been working to advance its missile technology, and this latest development represents a significant breakthrough. Supersonic missiles, which travel at speeds greater than Mach 1, approximately 767 miles per hour, pose a formidable challenge to existing defense systems due to their high velocity and maneuverability. The precise details of these new missiles, including their range, payload capacity, and specific capabilities, are still emerging. But the very fact of their existence signals a notable escalation in Iran's military capabilities. The revelation of these missiles is particularly significant given the current geopolitical climate. Iran has long been at the center of global tensions, particularly with Western powers such as the United States and its allies in the Middle East. The introduction of supersonic missiles adds a new dimension to these tensions, potentially altering the strategic calculations of both Iran and its adversaries. These missiles enhance Iran's ability to project power and deter aggression, which could embolden Tehran in its regional policies and influence. Iran's development of supersonic missiles is not occurring in a vacuum. It is part of a broader pattern of military modernization and self-sufficiency. Over the past decade, Iran has invested heavily in its defense industry, striving to reduce its reliance on foreign arms suppliers. This drive for self-sufficiency has been fueled by a combination of international sanctions, regional security concerns, and a desire to assert its sovereignty. The unveiling of these missiles can be seen as a testament to the progress Iran has made in achieving this goal. The technical aspects of Iran's supersonic missiles are of particular interest to military analysts and defense experts. Supersonic missiles represent a complex engineering challenge, requiring advanced propulsion systems, materials that can withstand high temperatures and stresses, and sophisticated guidance systems to ensure accuracy at high speeds. Iran's ability to develop such technology suggests a high level of technical expertise and a robust industrial base. This development also raises questions about the extent of foreign assistance Iran may have received, either through covert channels or via collaboration with other states with advanced missile technology. The international response to Iran's announcement has been swift and varied. In the United States, the news has been met with concern and calls for increased vigilance. American defense officials have highlighted the need to bolster missile defense systems and enhance regional security cooperation with allies such as Israel and the Gulf states. There are fears that these new missiles could tip the balance of power in the Middle East, prompting a new arms race and escalating tensions in an already volatile region. In Europe, the reaction has been more measured but still wary. European nations, which have been involved in ongoing diplomatic efforts to address Iran's nuclear program and broader security issues, see this development as complicating their efforts. The European Union has emphasized the importance of continued dialogue and engagement with Iran to prevent further destabilization. However, there is also recognition that new security measures may be needed to address the evolving threat landscape. Within the Middle East, the reactions have been mixed. Israel, which perceives Iran as its most significant security threat, has expressed alarm at the announcement. Israeli leaders have reiterated their commitment to maintaining a qualitative military edge and have called for international support in countering Iran's growing capabilities. Meanwhile, some of Iran's allies and partners in the region have welcomed the development as a demonstration of resistance against Western dominance and a boost to regional self-reliance. The broader implications of Iran's supersonic missile program extend beyond the immediate geopolitical fallout. This development highlights the rapid pace of military technology advancement and the increasing complexity of global security challenges. Supersonic missiles, like other advanced weaponry, have the potential to alter strategic balances and trigger new arms races. As more nations pursue such technologies, the risk of miscalculation and conflict could increase, underscoring the need for effective arms control measures and international cooperation. For Iran, the unveiling of supersonic missiles is likely to be a source of national pride and a symbol of its technological prowess. The Iranian government has framed this achievement as a demonstration of its resilience in the face of international pressure and its ability to defend its sovereignty. This narrative is likely to resonate domestically, bolstering national unity and support for the government's policies. However, it also raises the stakes for Iran's relations with the international community, particularly if these missiles are seen as a threat to regional stability. The development of supersonic missiles by Iran also has significant implications for the broader dynamics of missile proliferation. As more countries acquire advanced missile technology, the potential for regional and global instability increases. This trend underscores the importance of international efforts to prevent the spread of missile technology and to develop norms and agreements to manage its use. The international community faces a challenging task in balancing the legitimate security concerns of states with the need to prevent destabilizing arms races and ensure global security. In the context of Iran's military strategy, the introduction of supersonic missiles could represent a shift towards a more aggressive posture. These missiles provide Iran with a powerful tool to deter adversaries and project power beyond its borders. This capability could embolden Iran to adopt a more assertive stance in regional disputes and conflicts. However, it also carries significant risks, as any use of such missiles could provoke a strong international response and escalate into broader conflict. The strategic implications of Iran's new missiles extend to the global military landscape as well. Supersonic missiles are part of a broader trend towards faster, more advanced weaponry that is challenging traditional defense systems. This trend is evident in the development of hypersonic missiles by major powers such as the United States, Russia, and China. Iran's entry into this arena signals a new phase in the evolution of missile technology and its impact on global security dynamics. The announcement of Iran's supersonic missiles has also prompted discussions about the effectiveness of existing missile defense systems. Supersonic missiles, with their high speeds and potential for maneuverability, pose a significant challenge to current defense technologies. This development could spur renewed efforts to enhance missile defense capabilities, both in terms of detection and interception. Nations that perceive themselves as potential targets of such missiles may invest heavily in upgrading their defense systems to counter this new threat. Iran's achievement in developing supersonic missiles also highlights the role of indigenous innovation in military technology. Despite facing extensive international sanctions and restrictions, Iran has managed to advance its missile program through domestic research and development. This success underscores the importance of investing in scientific and technological capabilities as a means of enhancing national security. For other countries facing similar challenges, Iran's experience may serve as both a model and a cautionary tale. The international community's response to Iran's missile program will be critical in shaping the future security landscape. Diplomatic efforts to address the underlying tensions and conflicts that drive missile proliferation will be essential. This includes addressing the security concerns of all regional actors and finding ways to reduce the incentives for states to pursue advanced missile capabilities. Effective diplomacy combined with robust arms control measures will be key to preventing a new arms race and ensuring long-term stability. Iran's announcement of new supersonic missiles represents a significant milestone in its military capabilities and has profound implications for global security. This development is a testament to Iran's technological advancements and strategic ambitions, but it also raises critical questions about the future of missile proliferation and international security. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us, are you concerned about Iran's new supersonic missiles? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.